Oh, it's a wonderful day. The birds just flying away in the gray sky. Above us is just sprinkling a little rain. Someone walks to school on a Friday, or maybe it is work. But looking at this nature, just falling in love, just falling in love. A wonderful day, a wonderful day, a wonderful day it is. Fresh air in the sky, birds flying up high, just crowing away. Do you see the wonderful love that God has created? It's such a beautiful day, with sprinkling water of rain just pouring each day. Oh, this one day, a beautiful day, fresh air every way, without anything about it. The wonderful sky, just high up high, up in the sky. The wonderful birds that flying, they're just enjoying the day. A beautiful day, a wonderful day, a beautiful day, yeah it is. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless. Take care of that body and say no to drugs. Say no to alcohol and stay sober, healthy, and take care of that body. God gave you that body. You have a good day. God bless.